In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zapier to automate your online fitness business. Whether you're just starting out or looking to streamline your existing operations, automation can be a real game changer, saving you time and effort while helping you manage your business more effectively. To begin, you're going to navigate over to Zapier, a platform designed to automate apps and workflows seamlessly. Once you're on the Zapier homepage, you'll notice countless options at your disposal. But for today, we're focusing on how you can leverage this tool for your fitness business. Next, you'll need to click on Log In. If you already have an account, sign in using your credentials. If not, setting up an account is fairly straightforward and shouldn't take long. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the Zapier home, which serves as your dashboard for creating what are called zaps. Now let's delve into creating your first zap. You'll start by navigating over to Zaps, which is the section where your automated workflows are stored and managed. Think of a zap as a blueprint for your automation task. It's where the magic happens. Once there, locate and click on Create. This is your gateway to setting up a new automated task. You'll find yourself in a draft environment, which is designed to be user-friendly and intuitive. Here you can add all the steps necessary for your automations, tailoring each one to meet your specific needs. Now, to customize this zap for your fitness business, click on Add Steps. This function allows you to introduce new actions or searches within your workflow. For example, you might want to integrate scheduling tools that help you manage workout sessions. In the search bar, type in Calendly. Calendly is great for scheduling workouts and sessions because it offers an intuitive interface not only for you, but also for your clients, helping you manage appointments seamlessly. When Calendly appears in the search results, go ahead and select it. This will allow you to integrate Calendly into your Zap. Now that you've integrated Calendly, you can streamline your appointment scheduling. This means no more back-and-forth emails trying to pin down a time that works for both you and your clients. Instead, everything is automated, freeing up your time to focus on what you do best, training and supporting your clients. And there you have it, a streamlined approach to automating part of your online fitness business using Zapier. With tools like these at your disposal, you can save valuable time and reduce administrative overhead, allowing you to dedicate more energy to growing your business and enhancing client satisfaction. Remember, automation is the key to efficiency in today's digital world, and mastering it will certainly put you a step ahead.